then they'll forget about the objective.
We leave one person. We put the Torb turret in their base, so it looks like someone else's, and then the Torb just does the thing.
Don't get caught with your beard in the litter box, boys.
Well, that's easy. My character doesn't have a beard.
I have no time for such frivolous pursuits.
Chase, try to stay with Puppy for the early fight here, because if he wins the fight against Akari for damage boost, then we're good. If he dies from the fight, then he can res him.
Okay, because we have snipers, we're gonna go straight through the middle. We're gonna try to take right high ground. Got it? Follow me.
Take right high ground? Okay.
1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Nice, got her.
Mine's off.
Oh, hey,
Oh, good pick.
Didn't even mean to.
Oh,
I'm dead down.
5 on 5.
Just keep moving in, keep moving in.
Hanzo Discord.
I can push up there.
Thanks for going up top. Hold him.
Hanzo's still up here, or he was.
Nah, he's back at the point. But guys, drop down at me. Drop down at me.
Alright.
We're going in. We're going in.
Alright, following.
Drop.
Breaking shield.
I'm stuck.
Okay,
Mine's
we're
down.
going in. I'm not. Just take it slow.
Akari's back on the in the door, on your right side. Put it on your right side.
Open.
Hanzo Discord.
Get out.
We
Get
didn't.
out or die.
We didn't focus very well there. We knew.
Rush, do you think you can call targets?
I'll call my Discord targets.
Okay, we can do that. Everyone focuses discords.
Right.
Is everyone here?
Yeah. No. Hold on. Rush is not here.
The Widow's on right side. I'm gonna take high ground here.
I have a shatter. I'm taking left. I'm taking left. Follow me in.
Anna's dead. They don't have any res here.
Shatter. Let's go.
Hanzo's one on right side with Widow. Right side. Just push into him. With shield up.
Hanzo Discord.
Sorry, you want?
Sorry, yeah.
Let them take space for you.
They're backing out.
Nice, Poppy. Nice take. I have dragons here. I'm gonna save it for the grab.
I imagine they have shatter.
Okay, push in,
now,
push it.
right?
And
Yeah.
we want to keep your energy high here.
Right.
Did they use any else during their defense?
I don't think they did.
I will stay on
Wow,
payload.
nothing.
You can go up. I'll be on payload. You need to break barriers.
You bubble me.
This line is really high energy.
Alright, guys, you can res that.
Yeah.
Keep shield up.
I got grabbed.
Walk into him a little bit with shield.
Okay, push up. I'm letting my shield recharge a little bit. I'm gonna have another
Jump,
shatter.
jump.
Discord.
That's
Huge shatter.
oh. I'm sleeping.
On our right side.
On a Discord.
One is one.
I have
On
grab.
the Discord again.
Oh,
On his grab.
Nice, hit him. Did I want to hit him?
Round one. He's dead.
Did you just use ult then? Did you just use ult?
oh my God! Finish them, please.
Nice. You guys can win that. Take that.
Yep.
I know I had already used dragons, but communicate the grab anyway. To say that I'm looking for a grab here.
Yeah.
Try to get this. Let's get it. I think we got it.
Yeah, you should have that.
Yeah, I don't use any else to try to get it.
I got far spawn.
Okay, everyone just wait. Puppy, get back. Don't-
You have me and Zarya still coming back.
Yeah, let's all wait. Okay, I have a shield for you. Come here and snipe.
I feel like that was a little sloppy on both sides there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I'm back.
Akari's back, right? Back med. Nice.
Crushing shield.
Shen, I'm gonna shatter here.
It's big.
What's up, Zarya?
I'm down. Can you get the res or no?
I will try.
Zarya one, left side. Actually,
Zenyatta.
one.
Zarya down.
Okay, I'm resing.
Where is
We got
his
you.
end?
We got you.
Yeah,
I
close.
don't see him.
Anna's dead.
Nice. That gives me high ground.
I'll have an arrow here.
Ryan Discord.
I have dragon again.
I won't
Take
have
space at
grab
the
anytime
spawn door. Take
soon.
space at spawn door. That's fine. Push up. Take space.
They might have shatter. They might have shatter.
Ryan's one. You can kill him before he gets it. I'm
I
dragging.
need healing, please.
Watch for shatter. Watch for shatter.
Watch dragons.
Ryan could die.
Fight us on.
We can win this. We can win this. We can win this.
Man tied. Careful.
Focus
Ryan's
healers.
still
Ryan one,
Discord.
Ryan one.
Ryan 1.
Ryan down.
Ana.
Ana. Yep. I'm sleeping.
Nice.
Good round.
Nice.
Good job. You're cool, nice guys.
Yeah, nice job.
Score 3-0. Switching sides. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
I may have to leave around 7.
What?
Not allowed.
Well, it's already past 7 for me, so you never leave.
Well,
You have to stay here for
Central
12 hours now. Nope. The server goes by EST, so you just said you're gonna stay up for another 11 and a half hours.
You want to do double sniper again?
Yeah.
We could go beat.
Together, we are strong. Hello.
You did that with 3 minutes 15. It's like unheard of.
that's really good for this map.
I have my eye on you.
Wait, is that true? Like I never knew that.
What?
Raiden just said like when Zen's
No.
nanoed, he gets. No, I was about to say. I figured it was just. Yeah.
You can't just change in-game data values that make that so overpowered.
True.
Like, because, what is it? One Discord orb headshot on a Tracer kills it. So 5 times that, you could be doing that to, like, Ryan.
Dude.
That would be fucking nuts.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Marked by the dragon.
Don't push me off.
Don't dive.
They're running Tracer.
Tracer left, Tracer left, Tracer left.
Monkey's gonna jump up here.
Tracer and Genji left.
Okay. I got walls for it.
Charging.
Genji.
Monkey.
Even the
Healing.
Mac.
Too much pressure. Fall back.
Keep your shield up.
Keep shield up.
First he came around
Fall
like
back.
Are you down 3?
Yeah, we're down 3.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Just stop point, stop point.
Just down point on hostile afterwards.
Fortunate.
If we're getting pressure on the high ground, don't be afraid to fall point.
Should have been more patient there. He didn't need to charge in.
I thought I was gonna hit the wall, not go in so far.
Oh, we don't have enough bodies.
Switching to
to
the gate here.
Objective
I think Bridget will be just really good here.
Stop the
Eight's
payload.
do that.
Drop shield.
There's nobody
There's
there.
nobody over there.
Nice.
I'm an idiot. Okay. 6
Watch left
seconds.
side. Watch
Tracer
left side.
behind.
Tracer.
Turn your back.
Discorded.
You can stay on our pup.
Yeah.
Who's behind you? Try not to get too
Follow
talented,
me.
daughter.
Genji behind 2. On me.
They're separated, they're separated.
Trying to help with Genji right now.
Can you guys help me?
Tracer.
Gotcha.
Back line.
Genji's still back here. Genji's still back here. He's 1. He's 1.
Even the Mac.
Nice. Sorry, Russ.
Having a break definitely helps back line.
almost ready.
I got grab.
Leave the diva. Don't kill her.
Be good.
I have a shatter here.
We got dragons. Yeah, we got dragons.
Let's do it early here.
Right.
Let's push up with a shield.
Okay.
Enemy approaches.
I want to see if they use trance anyway.
Behind Tracer. Tracer behind.
They didn't transfer.
They didn't trans now.
Tracer
I
does.
need heals.
Press X, please.
Get out, Puppy.
I have a shatter here. You guys better follow
Pass
up.
already? Yeah.
Bubble.
No, it's on cooldown. Back out. Sorry. Oh well.
That's fine, that's fine.
Tracer behind
Back out,
again.
back out. We got their camps out. That's all we need. We're using monkey 2.
Get back up.
Monkey 1. I'm dead. The tracer behind. Tracer behind. Follow the blade. Follow the blade. Try to kill Genji. Kill Genji here.
Tracer behind still.
I can't rest that.
Help the tracer in the back. The tracer in the back. Help your Zen.
Got him.
Gotcha.
Tracer's
No
still
recall.
Right side.
Watch your front line.
I must have another shatter here.
Alright. I have dragons.
Tracer behind
Tracer.
still.
I'm gonna keep this on.
Got tracer.
Nice.
There's a fire right side.
Ryan Discord. Far Discord. She's half.
Zen's 1. Back out. Back out.
Far behind us,
We're
far
way
behind
too aggressive.
Yes, Far is still behind us.
I got grab almost.
I think watch for shatter. Watch for shatter here.
Yeah, they haven't used anything.
Far's on right.
It's because they were monkey the whole time though.
Any
Yeah.
heals?
I'm charging.
I'm dead.
He's down. He's down.
I'm not gonna be able to rest it. Break.
Popped off. Just popped off right now. Early.
Do everything. Do everything.
That's fine.
All
That's
in.
fine. No more else. No more else.
Oh, we're fine.
Okay.
Behind us, Akari.
Back enough. Back
Far.
up.
On
Uh,
just
but-
that
Oh, okay.
nine
Never
point.
mind.
Gotta get back rush. Nice try.
Help you go back to Widow.
Yeah,
I got rally soon, so.
No, keep rally,
Okay.
keep rally.
No, let's rally.
Oh yeah, we. Bubble you.
Right
Nope,
side.
didn't work. Sorry.
Looks like they're
Okay,
gonna
8
try to
seconds.
Shield up. Shield up.
Right
He
side.
step Far up top behind us.
Everyone
Oh.
over.
Take Ryan, he's free. I got pinned, I'm dead.
They're all in that room. I might
Far
be-
is looking
Oh.
for. Yep.
Nope,
Oh,
nope.
solo shattered.
Get out.
Still want me on Widow?
Nah, it's
Honestly, think maybe it's probably. We can stall here.
No, we can't.
back up.
Oh, I need healing.
Oh, that.
Oh, did I-
killed me. That feels bad.
Yeah, I was.
Okay, get back.
Regroup. Stop staggering.
I got another grab.
Alright. We can regroup. We can hold them here. It's fine.
This fight is not over.
We already have a better time, guys. Don't even worry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They cap. Which they're not going to.
Try to not use grab this fight, Aeon.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to shatter. Is that all right?
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
Valkus.
Just plan for.
We're together. Push him. Yeah.
The only else we use here are just Falcon Shatter.
He blocked it.
Alright?
Watch for their shatter.
Don't use any more ults. They're looking for a grab right now. Actually, you can grab this.
They transed it.
Okay.
I'm gonna swap here. Yeah.
Heal me, please. Oh no.
They're gonna grab this fight as soon as we try to come out. We need to regroup. We need to regroup and spawn, actually. I know it sounds pretty bad, but we actually are gonna have to.
Yeah, we have
Oh,
time for
grabs
most
out.
defense.
Yeah, they got me outside of spawn. Feels bad.
You guys can get on
Able
it.
to touch.
No.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, barely got it.
How did I die? That.
Help us in.
I'm not on bubble anymore. Yep.
I can't install anymore.
Nice try.
Not bad. Not bad.
Complete.
Not bad at all.
As soon as you stopped holding the kind of. We had like a long time sort of stalling and like, choke,
Prepare your defenses.
and then after that it kind of just went a little bit to shit.
Select your hero.
Yeah, we kept getting staggered.
We took a really.
Stuff just didn't die fast enough, and it forced us to tunnel vision.
Pup.
They got-
Start on Brigitte, just because they started dive.
Defense.
Greetings.
I'll be busy soon enough.
Do you want to hold up here at top?
Hold the back right corner of the point. Up here.
Back right.
For a minute, we're better off just holding where they don't get like free Widow peek or anything like that.
Back right.
Yeah, and then whenever they try to come to point, they either have to dive us up here or they go to the point, and then we just keep high ground from them. We can send like Bridget and Mercy down and just let her brawl, and we can stay on high ground so there's contest.
Yeah.
If they go in point again, everybody has to drop except the sniper.
Okay, drop on the left. Drop on the left. Okay, guys.
Okay. We got a scatter up.
What's that hog, Ryan?
Any pick we can get early in this fight will be huge.
It's good
They're
holding.
going left side, it looks.
Yeah.
Yep, they still have fire.
You're gonna have to
Kill
focus
that
on the
for
Pharah.
people.
You're the only DPS.
Okay, drop in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
Send Discord.
I'm stunned.
Brigitte 1.
I'm dead. You guys can clean it up fast.
Pharah.
Pocket A on, pocket A on, pocket A on. Darn.
Just on point.
Yeah, stall it out. I might be able to touch.
I can't even get the point.
We're gonna need a hit scan.
Now get back, that's a get back, get back.
Okay.
Noise.
Okay, we still just need to get them off point.
Okay,
You're not 6. You should just back up and regroup.
yeah.
And try to take an early fight.
Ember come near.
okay, we're together, we're together.
Behind them right now. Behind them.
Okay, push in, 3, 2, 1.
Hard plus one.
Get a Kari, get a Kari.
Car down.
Dead?
I have a hammer here.
Got a
Hog
bubble.
Discord. Oh. We need that
Go
shield
for it.
up.
Nice. Nice shatter.
Hammer.
Huge grab.
But nothing follow up.
It's okay, it's okay.
They lost their Mercy.
We gotta call those ults out before you use them. I didn't hear it.
Yeah.
We can win this fight. Fire needs to
Brigitte.
Push
Fire,
in.
fire,
it.
fire.
Oh no, Akari. Should I swap Diva?
Yeah.
Mercy, mercy, mercy.
Just don't play into the hog.
Hog Discord. Ryan Discord.
Ryan?
soon, very soon.
Keep pressure on
Brigitte.
Ryan. One.
Brigitte. Brigitte.
Good job.
Good job.
Nice.
Nice. We can do that.
Yeah.
From my sight. Scores 3-4. Switching sides.
I don't know if it's him now. I got 2
Prepare
ults.
to attack.
And it was halfway to a
Select
third.
your hero.
What happened, Pup? You were like super pushed up and then you died like as soon as the fight
Yeah,
started.
sorry. I thought we were engaging right in the back line, and for some reason, yeah, stupid.
We're losing track of ult tracking, so let's get on top of that. And just make sure to call out beforehand when you're ulting.
Yeah.
Because we need to be in position, like the Zarya grab. Nobody was in position for that.
Right.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Okay, same thing as last time. We're gonna take the left stairs, push up, try to get a pick, move up to the top right high ground, and then push in from there.
You mean the right stairs, right?
I mean, I'd be stairs, honestly. I'm taking left
Yeah.
ones. If you guys want to follow me, go for it.
Right side is probably better because you don't have to cross it in front of the door.
One.
Fine.
Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
Hold him far back. We got someone up on high ground.
Keep walking in. Keep walking in.
Potentially a widow. Yeah, it is. Someone up left. Careful.
I have eyes on her.
Right in
She's
Discord.
got the widow with her.
Yeah, Widow's discorded.
Left side. Mercy.
Mercy's one.
Taking shield.
Shield.
Shield up. Shield up.
I'm charging.
Zarya discord. Right in Discord.
Push in.
It's still a widow behind.
Widow behind. She's in
Mercy's dead.
the
You guys
room.
can win that. You guys can win it. You guys can win it.
I don't. Nah, I don't know. We gotta back out.
Yeah.
What happened?
The Widow is still behind us.
Yeah, she was still pressuring us. Are they
Okay, wait,
all
Hold
actually
on.
now?
Yep. We're gonna wait.
What happens then?
Okay, everyone
Ah.
push in now. No.
Nice,
Push in with that.
Huge,
Push in with
huge.
that.
How did she get there?
That should be
She's on the right
fine.
side. She's on the right side. Right stairs. Right stairs underneath. Josh.
She's discorded.
Run underneath, yeah.
She's half.
Zen's at the back.
He's that's a reset.
have a chance.
That's
No, okay, now
pretty
it's a
much a
reset.
reset.
Stop to dive. Stop to dive.
You
I have shatter here though. Are you sure?
Okay.
This fight is not over.
I'm gonna
I
stop
I think
confusing.
I think we should just take the right side instead. They're holding the left, so we take the right.
no, I'm not back yet.
Oh, that was fat
Oh,
finger.
fat
Alright,
finger.
push on with that.
Oh. We
Change the thing. I
Yeah.
wanna change.
I can
Widow. Ryan discord.
Ryan
Then
down.
use the trance.
We can win this.
I'm on the widow.
Don't let res.
Mercy.
Mercy down.
Widow
Ben.
one.
I got grav. Should I just use it?
Grab.
Widow.
Do it.
We got this.
There's a widow.
Nice.
Nice.
We don't need my transcendence.
It was a distraction.
Yeah, it was all a ruse.
Yeah, they're like, what the hell?
It's a false sense of security there.
Threw them all off. Alright, we have 30 seconds, so
Okay.
make sure.
Zen on- Yeah.
Alright, Zen and
I'll
Zarya
just stay
stay
on
on
point.
point.
Play
Alright.
safe.
Yeah.
They have a grab here. And or shatter.
Get out.
They have grab and or shatter, guys.
We'll change it to a Pekit.
10 seconds remaining.
Mercy's one.
Brigida
Another
discord.
dragon blood here. Do it.
Nice shatter.
Zarya.
I'm
Oh.
Zarya needs to die. Zarya
I
needs to
can't.
die. She has grab.
Get that Mercy.
Mercy's resting, don't let her rest.
We're good. Kill him. Get him.
Zarya, or Mercy.
Brigida.
Mercy.
Ryan.
Woo! Huge. Good.
Stand cart. They still have widow up. Left side.
Lucio.
Left side.
Lucio.
Lucio down.
Widow one.
Good job.
Nice.
We'll make it. Nice.
Nice job. That shatter was huge.
Yeah, it was.
Play of the game.
I wonder what it is.
Which
What
one
we
is
did
it?
there in the
This
last part there,
is the grab, I think. Yeah, I just swung into your grab.
what we did at the end there, where we used our ults before they used theirs, that's like what what Sherry talks about all the time. It's like